This came up in our meeting on Wednesday regarding how to add files to messages in the new JobTread message feature and make sure they end up in our files section. It was noticed that when you add a file directly in the messages, that file doesn't automatically land in the files section. So here's how to solve that. So first thing you can do is start in the files section. If you have a file that you want to send to a client, you can come in and upload that file. So you can add your description, and you can add a tag. We'll call this shop drawings, and done. So it's there now. Then with that added to the files section, come into your messages and create a new message to whoever, or we'll say customers in this case, and photo. And then from here, you don't upload file, you use this copy existing files, and this brings up the menu. I think the default looks like list view. I find the grid is easier to find the photos I want to send. So here's our fancy house, add one file, and then you send that in the message. So we started in, I gotta refresh. You start in files, you add the file to the file folder, then you send that to the client or internally by copying the file. The other way to do it is to start in messages. I'm going to start a new message to customers. You upload a file. Let's do this one. I don't know what these are. Okay, so you see the file. You see the file name. There's no option to add a description or a tag. So you just click done and you say here, and so once that refreshes, you see that file that you sent. And from here, you can click on that, and there's this button up here where you can copy to job files. Click that, you get this file to copy to job successfully, and then that changes to the little link. Close that out. No change here, but if you go to the files section, again, a little easier to see in grid view, there's our Hobbit house. And from here, you have to open it up, add the tag, and a description. And this works not only with photos, but PDF documents or any other kind of file type you'd be adding to a job. So that's how that works. You can either add it to the message, then use the copy to, or you can add it to the files and then pull it into the message with the copy existing files button here. So it's kind of doing the same thing, but it's working in different directions. So hope that makes sense. Hope that's clear. If not, you know where to find me.